Hello everyone, today I will show you how to open a Turbo C++. So how we can open Turbo C++. So first we go desktop, then we click and Turbo C++ icon. Double click, then open this link. After some time you can wait there. This is also a file open. Now how we can exit? This is also a Turbo C++ also open there. How we can exit? So go to the file, then click exit button. Click on exit button, then exit. EXIT. Then close your Turbo C. Okay. Again you want to open. First you want to click in this link, Turbo C icon. Then wait 2 minutes. And then this is the open. And then go to the file. Then click quit button. And then exit. So the exit of on this screen. So is it possible? So if you like this video, you can subscribe my channel and watch my new created video. Thank you.